Our digital executive producer and poobah, Chris Essex, shot this time lapse in downtown Terre Haute today. And so you can see how the clouds are moving along, and sometimes these clouds would produce some rain. But anyhow, this was a time lapse, so we didn't get much rain here at the television station at all, just 1/100th of an inch. But in some areas, you got a bunch of rain. So now that's what I'm tracking for you tonight. It's going to be another warm and muggy night. You know, those dew points, I've been talking about them for a week or two. The dew points are going to stay in the 70s for the overnight lows, and that's the reason it's going to be muggy. Scattered storms will continue through the overnight and into the day tomorrow. But by this time tomorrow night, I think the rain is going to start to taper off, and then it turns cooler. Actually quite pleasant tomorrow night and Friday. Lower dew points. It's going to be much nicer tomorrow night. You're going to like the weather's going to shape up nicely. But I was talking about dew points. See, this is why it's muggy out there. We have Effingham at 74 dew point, Terre Haute 73, Vincennes at 72 with a temperature of 82, or Sullivan 86, or 85 in Olney. Well, it feels warmer than it actually is. It feels like it's 87 or 90 or 87 or 88, 91 in Olney. All this is happening because of a stationary front just lodged right here just in northwestern Illinois, and high pressure is pretty much blocking this. But eventually this high is going to move off and this front will descend. We're in this juicy air mass right now, but eventually that's going to come in. That'll start to change the direction of the wind once we get to tomorrow afternoon. That's when the nicer weather moves in. But in the meantime, take a look at the Storm Team 10 storm tracker. Here we have a stretch of rain from Hudsonville over to about Sullivan, over into Greene County, Linton, then down into the southwestern portion of Greene County and the central part of Greene County, south part of Sullivan County, into Lawrence County, over into Vincennes, Wheatland, southern part of Knox County, and a pretty good little storm going on here in the southern part of Daviess County, where the rainfall rate right now is about 1.3 inches per hour. And so this is one of these examples of how it rains like crazy in your house, and just down the road at your neighbors, they don't get any rain at all. That's these spotty storms we have. 11 o'clock tonight, the FUTURECAST. Here's midnight tonight. Here's 3 o'clock in the morning. Here's 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. 9 o'clock tomorrow. See how the rain begins to taper off, and look, the wind starts to come out of the northeast when the wind changes direction tomorrow. That's good news. That's nature telling us that I'm about to freshen everything up. We have a northeast breeze, cooler, less humid air moves in. And the pollen will be okay for the next few days, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, because of grass pollens. Again, it will be medium. So warm and muggy, scattered storms tonight, 70 for the overnight low. And for tomorrow, high of 82. That was the high today. So tomorrow's temperature, a lot like today. It's going to feel tomorrow like it does today. But the wind shifts to the northeast as we get to the later afternoon. Some lingering showers tomorrow night, then clearing and cooler with 58 for the overnight low. And then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, of course, 4th of July is Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. Everything looks good, even though it warms up as we get to the second part of the weekend.